Hey, what's up? My name is Stones. Today I'm gonna show you how to install .NET Framework 3.5 offline without being connected to the internet. So first of all, you have to check if .NET Framework is installed, or you can see if it's not installed when there's a program you want to install that requires .NET Framework into your computer. So for you to check that, at times you have to click control panel. I'm using Windows 10 Pro Redstone. Click programs and features. Click 10 Windows features on or off. So if there's this black rectangle here, you know that .NET Framework is not installed, so you cannot activate it. You cannot turn this feature on or off. So for you to turn this feature or off, you have to install it either from the internet or through the way that I'm going to show you. So what you need to do is you have to have the setup of the Windows that you installed. I have Windows 10 Pro Redstone here. You have to download this. Click once application called Microsoft.NET Framework 3.5 offline installer. You can find this on Google. I don't need to explain that. So you need to run this program as an administrator. So you need to select the installation source, which is the drive letter and the source of the file. What we have to select this file as SXS. It's a folder as SXS. So I have this file on my desktop here. I have to select it, desktop, Windows 10 Pro Redstone. I'll find that folder in sources SXS. So you need to select this just to make sure that you have selected this drive later where the file is located. So just make sure you have to first click this and then you select the installation sources as I have done, and then next you have to click show installation process to be able to see the progress of your installation, and then click start installation. It opens up a command prompt. So you see it is installed. .NET Framework Microsoft.NET Framework 3.5 was installed successfully. So the next thing you need to do is to come here. For you to turn this feature on or off, you need to come here again, click these two check boxes, click OK, and then you need to search for the required files and apply the changes. If changes are applied successfully, like Windows completed the requested changes, if you see this message, know that Microsoft.NET feature has been turned on, so you can run your programs that require .NET Framework 3.5. So don't forget, guys, thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to click the subscribe button